TheGuardian.com provides a story of a 17-year-old girl named Emily. Throughout Emily's life, she had struggled with battling anorexia and depression. Emily starts off her story with being admitted to a hospital for her suicide attempts and her anorexia. This young girl had struggled with her body for years and gone down the wrong path. She didn't see a point in life and had a bad relationship with her body. While at the hospital, the doctor recommended to try out yoga for these thoughts and feelings. As any other young adult, she didn't believe that yoga would help her, but after her first class, she felt amazing. She described this as a turning point in her life. There are many things going on in our life that we feel we cannot control. Stress is a big one that we feel is out of our hands. At the beginning of the story, we see that Emily doesn't feel there is anything to help her with these depressed thoughts. Although at the end, we see that yoga had been beneficial for her. This is why today I will be telling you why you should implement yoga into your everyday life. Yoga is a simple activity that you can take 10 minutes out of your day to meditate and stretch to improve your well-being. I will be telling you how physical, mental, and intellectual health has declined within college students from stress, and how yoga can improve these stress-induced factors. The first reason that you should be doing yoga is it is good for your physical health. As for physical health is a main problem within college students. A big problem that has increased within college students is back pain. According to the CDC, in 2018, 28% of men and 31% of women have experienced lower back pain within the past 3 months. These lower back pain problems have caused a lot of missed days. According to the National Library of Medication, an estimate of 149 million days of work are missed each year because of lower back pain. Intrigued psychologists did a study in 2018 to 2019 on college students, determining if stress is correlated to lower back pain. Asking these students questions and doing experiments on them, they connected that 42% of these students' lower back pain can be traced back to stress. Yoga is just a simple solution that can help with these physical problems. According to Healthline.com, yoga is a mind-body therapy that often is recommended to treat back pain, but the stress that is accompanied with it. They also talk about a study that was done with people with lower back pain. They had created a study where they sent half of these participants to physical therapy and the other half to yoga. At the end of the study, they showed that yoga was almost or just as effective as physical therapy. Helping physical alignments like back pain is not the only reason you should do yoga. It can also help your mental health. This is important because mental health problems have increased within college students. NBI.gov says that a study in 2020 by X-Wing found that almost half of students experience moderate to severe depression and 1/3 experience moderate to severe anxiety. These studies have been conducted multiple times and still show the same outcome of increasing in suicidal thoughts and anxiety from college students. According to HarvardHealth.com, a recent study demonstrated distress among first-year college students in their levels of anxiety and depression. This suggests that first years are at a higher risk for anxiety and depression due to the stress of school. Although these stats seem to be increasing over the years and inevitable for college students, it is actually proven that yoga can help these thoughts and feelings. According to ScienceDaily.com, a study was done on those with anxiety and where they created 2 control groups, a stress education and a yoga class. They had sent the participants to these groups, and at the end of the study, it showed that those who participated in yoga, their anxiety symptoms have improved by 33% compared to the stress education group. Yoga allows young adults to help with their mental health, but also with their intellectual health. Unfortunately, college students aren't getting enough sleep these days and affecting their intellectual health. According to the CDC.gov, it is estimated that as a nation, 35% of adults are not getting enough sleep. Those young adults in college are having a harder time with sleeping because they are so stressed. According to publichealthpost.com, a study by Matis Zimmerhammer from the University of Rendsburg found that the percentage of students reporting symptoms of poor sleep went up from 25% to 53% during exam periods. Those who are experiencing sleep deprivation from stress, like insomnia, have been treated from yoga. According to a study conducted at the University of St. Thomas in Minnesota shows that yoga has helped with insomnia from the slowing of breath and focus practiced while doing yoga, which helps improve our quality of sleep. As young adults, sleep is vital for a person's health and well-being. Sleep also plays an essential role in our learning and memory process. In conclusion, in this speech, I had told you how physical, mental, and intellectual health has declined in college students, and how yoga can help these stress-induced factors. This is why when you leave today, I would like you to think about taking 10 minutes out of your day to start doing yoga. This is something that you could do with yourself or with others and helps with your well-being. Hastings College also provides events for us to go do yoga to help our well-being, as they provided one just the other day for Suicide Awareness Month. As well as the college partners with a yoga studio downtown in Hastings College for us to go to classes for free. Lastly, if that didn't get you want to try yoga, then I know this will. According to 55places.com, yoga has been proven to cure your hangovers.